Let's do an underarm wax. My client has a bit of deodorant on, but that's okay. Cleansing the skin and taking off the deodorant so the wax adheres properly. I'm using the one and only SexySmoothWax in Purple Seduction. I applied a bit of oil and the wax just glides right on. The dry time for this wax is amazing. It's a great choice for speed waxing. Yoink! Look at all those bulbs in just one pull. Doing a quick clean-up strip to grab any leftover hairs. Always lay clean-up strips in the opposite direction for best results. Hurry up and place your order on SexySmoothWax.com. Purple Seduction Wax is 50% off for a limited time only. No hairs left behind. Finishing off with some oil and she's good to go. "10 out of 10 recommend this wax.